Good morning to you. Jeremiah, it's morning time. I'm gonna give you a little time to wake up, okay?
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. It's time to go to school. Get up, man.
It's just that I need to go to sleep.
What do you mean you need to go to sleep? Were you trying to go to sleep when you was up playing that game like this last night?
Hey, Jeremiah, I got your clothes. You got some new pants. You gonna look good for school. You want sausage for breakfast?
Okay.
Here's your clothes. Put your lotion and deodorant on, okay? Make me proud.
Get up, boy. Look, get you to a little. When I come back in here, you better be ready, all right?
Jeremiah, I'm almost done. Do you want me to get frustrated? I'm gonna be late for work. Your clothes aren't even on. Let's get them on, okay? Do you want me to be a happy mom? Great. Let's get the clothes on quickly.
You ain't up.